everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can sign out from your Facebook. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to sign out or log out on Facebook, all you need is a Facebook account and a Facebook app. So first of all, to do this, you need to tap open your Facebook app from your home screen. So once you tap it open, you will end up in this kind of interface where all you need to do is simply tap on the profile icon on the top right hand side of the corner. Once you do this, simply scroll down below where you can find an option called log out. So simply tap on the log out option and tap on the log out confirmation again. Once you give them the confirmation to log out from your account, you will simply be signed out from your Facebook. So to log in, you need to type in your credentials back again, like your email and your password, and select your Google account and get your access back. So this is how you simply get signed out of Facebook. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.